Hello everyone, in this TerraCycler tutorial number 19 we will review the ferrite losses model equivalent to eddy current, the physical BCI probe model and the complete model including the flux leakage. In the first BCI video presentation in the TerraCycler tutorial number 18 we saw during the F140 probe characterization that after 3 MHz the slope of the probe impedance was changing from the +1 slope, means 20 dB by decade, to half slope, 10 dB by decade. So we need to change our model to get the half slope after 3 MHz as shown on the animation. As we saw in the TerraCycler tutorial number 15, we can do a model of the eddy current by doing a Al-R network to replace the reluctance R. The reluctance is 263K. To get the same reluctance, we can put 10 reluctances in parallel of 2630K to get 263K. Now, if we put between reluctances an inductance of 1.5 millihenry, we will get the curve impedance in pink and blue. Pink is with 10 L-R cells and the blue is made with 20 cells. The 1.5 millihenry has been adjusted to get the slope change close to 3 MHz. On the basic inductance model, we can add the secondary circuit with 1/3 NS equal 1 and the secondary model. Of course, the magnetic flux phi equal NPIP over R, but also NS-IS over R. From this flux equivalence, we get the formula NPIP equal NS-IS as the ratio n equal 1, US equal UP. Now, if we replace the reluctance model R by the L-R network, the model will have the ferrite losses. Now, we need to evaluate the leakage inductance. This is never easy because it depends on how the secondary short is done. But it is interesting at least to see the effect on the primary side. We do a short circuit on the secondary side as shown on the right picture with the orange line. We do the same short on the model as we saw in the TerraCycler tutorial number 10, IP equal IS. So the voltage sources which supply the reluctance have the same voltage. So the magnetic flux in the ferrite core is almost zero. Only the flux flowing in the air, green lines, cannot be stopped by the current in the secondary winding. The resistance RR is the model of the leakage flux. The impedance on the primary with the secondary shorted gives a leakage inductance view from primary side of 4.45 microhenry, so almost 10 times less than the primary inductance. To fit with our model, we added an R reluctance of 2.19 megohm. With this value, we fit at 100 kHz and at 1000 kHz, but we can note that we do not fit at 10 kHz. The schematic can be done with a leakage inductance LF in series with a primary inductance LP. Now, our model includes the ferrite losses and the leakage inductance. So we are ready to do the model of the complete BCI calibration. I want to thank you for your attention. On my next TerraCycler tutorial number 20, we will use the BCI probe SPICE model with ferrite losses and leakage inductance to do a complete BCI calibration model. See you soon and stay tuned.